Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, today is a double upload. If you didn't see part one, where I showed you how I tie-dyed this shirt and all of these shirts right here, go ahead and watch that before you continue with this video. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your post notification bell is on so you don't miss any videos that I post. But let's get started with the details of this little crop hoodie, if you will. So it was a t-shirt, and I'll insert a clip of how I actually created this crop hoodie situation. The first thing I did, of course, was tie-dye it. Then I put it on and kind of like figured out where I would want the crop to be. And then I pinned it. After I pinned it, I went ahead, flipped it over, put some pins in it to make a nice straight line. And then I went ahead and hand sewed. Now, if you have a machine, even better, even easier, but I don't have a machine right now. So I just went to the old-fashioned good old days and just went ahead and hand sewed and stitched the pieces together. Then after I was done with that, I went ahead and got a nice little shoelace. I honestly grabbed these from a pair of sweatpants that I previously had, and I just kind of cut it, you know, swiveled it all the way through, and voila, crop hoodie style tee. Boom. Now, as far as this outfit itself goes, the pants that I was going to pair with this to show you guys, I couldn't find them. And it's crazy because I literally cleaned out all of my clothes, cleaned my wardrobe, did all this stuff, could not find the pants to save my life. But that's okay. So I went ahead and paired it with these camo pants right here. But I'm pretty sure you'd want to see what it looked like with something else. So I also have this denim skirt. Super cute denim skirt, giving vintage vibes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that on. So this is what it looks like with the denim skirt. Really cute, real chill. You can pair this with a pair of sneakers, you know, something really cute, nothing too crazy. But I also have a third option. So let's go ahead and grab these blue jeans. A nice simple pair of ripped, distressed, you know, whitewashed blue jeans. Super cute, really comfortable. Of course, these are from Fashion Nova. Listen, I'm not a Fashion Nova brand ambassador, so I'm not about to be putting them on like that, okay? But I do love Fashion Nova's jeans. So which bottoms would you like to pair your crop tee with? Would it be the denim distressed jeans, the denim skirt, or the camo pants? Make sure you comment down below and let me know. Okay, so this is tie-dye top number 2. This actually wasn't tie-dyed, but it was in the sense of the technique. I actually used bleach for this one. Go check out part 1 to see how I did that and the whole explanation behind that. But I thought this was really cute. Like, it has red lettering on it, and I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like a little bad little biker chick or something. I don't know, I just feel very like grunge, but like bougetto, but like, I don't know how I feel. I just feel like I'm cute. And you guys have seen these black leather pants before. I just put these on because I thought it would look cute, and it does. I don't know, I'm really feeling this vibe. Like, I like it. I like it. But if you don't like the whole black leather pants thing, you can also pair it with some biker shorts like so. And voila, here it is with biker shorts. They're biker shorts. It's not really much to say. They're really cute and comfortable. They can go with anything. Throw some sneakers on, get a little backpack, fanny pack, little purse, whatever you want, and be out the door, okay? You could probably put a red lip with this, you know, to bring out this red right here. Or you can have red accessories, whatever your heart desires, but this is a little bit more chill than the actual black leather pants. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which one you like more, the black leather pants or the biker shirt. Okay, so tie-dye top number 3, we have our Mean Girls t-shirt. It was a basic white tee, but now it is Mean Girls all the way out. I used 2 different pinks and a red to color this, but like I said, watch part 1 for the real details. And I've actually worn these pants before. I literally love these pants. They're from Pretty Little Thing. They are wide leg at the bottom, and yeah, like they just fit so nice, like in all the right places. Like they just look so good. I don't know, I really love these pants. Hey bitch. See? That's the shit that I be doing. Anyway, I just want to look at myself and be like, hey bitch, how you doing? Good, okay, cool. But yeah, so what do you guys think about this outfit? I know it's a lot of pink and that won't work for everybody, but for me it does. So that is that. I do have another bottom to show you to go with this here shirt. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yes, this is a leather shirt. Yes, it's pink. Yes, it is a pink leather skirt. Pink is my favorite color. If you can't tell, something about it just makes me so happy. I just love the color pink. If you don't like the color pink, then I don't know what's wrong with you. You need to get it together, but it's okay. Now, honestly, I can't decide if I like the pants or the skirt more. So make sure you comment down below and let me know which one you like more. I just feel like they give 2 different vibes, if you know what I mean. Like this, I don't know, they just give 2 different vibes. I can't even explain it. I'm so excited, I'm so happy because pink is just that color. Like pink screams that bitch. Yeah. All right, so this is a tie-dye top number 4. Now, the coloring of this one was literally my favorite. The technique I used is the yin and yang one. So make sure, like I said, watch part 1 to see the details on that. I really wanted it to be an off-the-shoulder shirt, so I just cut the collar off, you know, pulled it a little bit, tucked it a little bit, stretched it out just enough for my shoulders to fit nice and snug and comfortable and look cute. Now, the pants. I never wore these pants a day in my life. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've had them in my closet since, I don't even know how long, maybe 2018. Whenever Carl Kanai and Tiana Taylor had that like Pretty Little Thing, whatever, drop, that's how long I've had them. And I don't know, I just feel like they never look super cute on me. Where am I wearing orange jogger, you know, sweats or pants, whatever these are? I don't know why I bought them. I think I bought them just because they were Carl Kanai and Pretty Little Thing, and it was like a whole thing and it, whatever. I know I'm not gonna wear them, but I figured why not just put it with a tie-dye shirt, because we just, you know, the colors go, whatever. Literally, this tie-dye shirt has 2 pinks, a white, a orange, peachy orange, yellow, green, lime, blue, dark blue, whatever. Has every color in it, so forget it, why not? And I just paired it with these sunglasses, and hold on, I have another pair of sunglasses. They're orange. Let's see which ones we like more. This one or this one? What you think? The yellows or the orange? I don't know, I like both. This one definitely gives a little bit more of like a groovy vibe, you know? I don't want to be so stereotypical and say like this is like such a hippie outfit, but it's like a hippie slash hipster, like mix a little bit of hip hop, because you know I got the sagging of the pants, you know, little swag, whatever, and then the colors, it's like hippies-ish. I don't know, but I really love the color grading on this one and the fact that it's an off-the-shoulder top. Last but not least, we have our Homebody t-shirt. You can actually get this t-shirt at Shop Pieces of C, but of course you'll have to go ahead and DIY tie-dye it by yourself. But you have part 1 to show you how. Anyway, so in order to get this little wrap shirt detailing, of course I put it on first and figured out where I wanted the crop to go. Then I cut it up the middle and then cut the sides. Then I cut the back straight across so that you can have, you know, the little crop in the back. I went ahead and took those extra scraps that we cut off and cut it in half, paired it up, sewed them on each side. I know it sounds confusing, but it was very, very easy. Again, I don't have a sewing machine right now, so I went ahead and hand sewed it. Did not take me long, super easy. And the back is just like tied, you know, it's like nothing crazy, but you can like tie it however you want. Here, let me unwrap it so you can see. See? You see how long they are now? This is literally what the shirt looks like. But you can tie it any way you want. This. Let it hang. I don't think I like that. Personally, I wouldn't wear it like that. But I don't know. I feel like you can do a lot with it. Just play around with it and see which style you like most. Like I said, I personally like the wrapped version, like so. This is my vibe. This is my vibe. Good as new. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little try on haul. It was super easy. Everything I already had in my house. Make sure you guys give this video a nice thumbs up to let me know that you like this sort of content from me. Yes, I do try on hauls pretty often, so that's nothing, but this was a little different. It was a little DIY sort of thing. So make sure you guys like this video and part 1 to let me know that this is the type of content that you guys want from me and that you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun filming this. It took several days because you had to do it in stages, of course, but I'm in quarantine. What else am I doing other than work? But, you know, like I really, really enjoyed this. Like, this is probably one of my favorite projects so far, and I have a whole lot more coming. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss any video that I post. Normally, I post twice a week. Tuesdays for our Love and Hip Hop recap, and then Thursdays. This week you just so happen to get 3 uploads. Lucky you. And you never know, 3 uploads might be the new norm for us. We don't know, we'll see. But as always, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.